Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install CCleaner on your Mac operating system. CCleaner is a popular system optimization tool that helps you clean up and remove junk files from your Mac's hard drive. Also, clear your browser history, remove unnecessary files, and improve the overall performance and speed of your Mac. So, here is a step-by-step guide on how to download and install CCleaner on your Mac operating system. Now, open your preferred browser and head over to the official website of CCleaner, which is CCleaner.com. I will drop the link in the video description so that you can just go ahead and download. Click on the green download button. Now, we are actually directed to the download page. Then, click on the download button here to download the latest version of CCleaner for Mac. The download process should start automatically. Once the download is complete, double-click the downloaded file to install CCleaner on your Mac operating system. And after the installation process is complete, go to the Applications folder and click on CCleaner icon to open the app. So once you've opened CCleaner, you can use it to free up space on your Mac by removing unnecessary files such as cookies, temporary files, and other junks. So click on the scan button to analyze your Mac files that can be removed. And once the scan is complete, click on the clean button to delete the selected files. So that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed CCleaner on your Mac OS. You can now use this handy tool to keep up your Mac running smoothly and efficiently. So in conclusion, CCleaner is a must-have tool for anyone who wants to keep their Mac running smoothly and efficiently. By following these simple steps, you can download and install and use CCleaner on your Mac OS. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care.